Exercise 3b, pair of linear equations in two variables. Short answer type questions, slab 1. Question number 1. Which of the following pair of linear equations has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? Tawde badia by unique solution, by no solution, by infinitely many solutions nga uko amnagdanangen. Sub number 1. 2x plus 5y equal to 17, 5x plus 3y is equal to 14. Tawde ya problem ra unique solution ungen ma no solution ungen ma infinitely many solutions ungen ma uko calculate karanangen uno sama asigen. Here inore e1 by e2, b1 by b2 aro c1 by c2 warangko amchingnanangen. Degimna equal ungama ungjauko check hanagdanangen. Degimna inode e1 de 2 Digimna e2 de 5. Ya first ke equation x ni coefficient ya de e1 ongya e1 de 2 digimna second equation x ni coefficient wade e2 ongya e2 de 5. So e1 by e2 is equal to e1 de inode 2 divided by e2 de 5. Digimna b1 by b2 iko ba calculate kanangen b1 de 5 divided by b2 de 3. That is c1 by c2 ko calculate again. c1 de 17 divided by c2 de 14. That is nibo ye de 2 by 5 ye de 5 by 3 option ongjenga ini menas again since e1 by e2 is not equal to b1 by b2 ye de b2 sachem. Since e1 by e2 is not equal to b1 by b2 ya e1 by e2 not equal to b1 by b2 ungjokori wa c1 by c2 kure nangja ha diba e1 by e2 equal to b1 by b2 ore c1 by c2 ko ba compare kana nangen ino same sok nangen diba ya first two ratio equal ungjajok nore c1 by c2 kure nangjajok tore ye gigini ratio equal ungjani geman marakana a1 by e2 not equal to b1 by b2 ongode yede mayongen unique solution ne unique solution. Therefore the given equations has a unique solution. Therefore the given equations has a unique solution. Sub number 2. 3x minus 5y equal to 7, 6x minus 10y equal to 3. Tode yakhwa first equation dungen demne yakhwa second equation dungen. Solution here a1 by e2 is equal to tode a1 de inode 3 demna e2 second equation ko nibo e2 de x ni coefficient 6. a1 de 1 first equation no x ni coefficient ongya demna e2 de second equation no x ni coefficient a1 by e2 de 3 by 6 tadi ko reduce kabo 3 chi cancel kawde 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6 so this is equal to 1 by 2 tawde b1 by b2 ko check again b1 de beta first equation ko check kabo minus 5 divided by b2 de minus 10. So this is equal to 5 chi reduce 5 chi cancel kabai ko 5 ara 1 times de 2 times negative by negative de phangnan positive so this is equal to 1 by 2. Imna dawde c1 by c2 equal check again c1 de 7 divided by c2 de 3 7 by 3. Since tawde yagi gini ratio di equal ongya jadi equal ongja ini given as again since a1 by e2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 so therefore the given equations Therefore, the given equations has again no solution. No solution. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2 only masibo no solution. No solution ode ye ratio gegen equal nga ya last ba equal nga. So the given equations has no solution. Sub number 3, 4x plus 6y is equal to 7, 12x plus 18y is equal to 21. Today you have first equation again. Then you have second equation. Today a1 by e2 are calculate again. Here a1 by e2 is equal to a1 de inode 4 divine e2 de 12. Today reduce kabo 4 or 4 or 1 times inode 3 times. So this is equal to 1 by 3. Today b1 by b2 को check again. b1 de 6 divided by b2 de 18. Today reduce kabo 6 dara inode anthamode 1 times inode 3 times. So this is equal to 1 by 3. Demna today c1 by c2. This is equal to c1 de 7, c2 de 21. So 7 by 21. 7 dara 7 anthamode 1 times inode 3 times. So this is equal to 1 by 3. Since today ratio gigithaman equal ngya meaning since a1 by b2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, you know the amount again, infinitely many solutions. So therefore the given equations has infinitely many solutions. Therefore, the given equations has infinitely many solutions.